Good morning. We are on the NCL Escape, and we have kind of an unusual problem. We've had it before, but we have an issue with the sliding door on our balcony. I don't know if you can hear this, and I'll put the camera up to it, but the wind is whistling through the door. So let's see if you can hear it. Now you can see if I undo the door, the wind is very loud, but when you close the door all the way, it's supposed to seal, but it's not sealing. So let me show you how to fix it. This is something we discovered last night. This was our fix. We'll see if we can get it to work. See if I can do this without sliding my fingers into the door. There we go. Voila! Our simple fix to a whistling cabin door. We hope this helps.